Gears of Progress, a journey through automotive transmissions. Ever pondered what makes your car move smoothly? It's all about the transmission. Imagine the transmission as the unsung hero in your car's operation, quietly and efficiently doing its job to ensure a smooth ride. And what job is that, you ask? Well, the transmission is the vital link between your car's engine and its drive wheels. It's responsible for managing power, controlling the speed at which your vehicle moves, and ensuring that the engine operates within its best range of performance. Picture it this way. If your car's engine is the heart, pumping life into the vehicle, then the transmission is the circulatory system, directing that power to where it's needed most. It's an intricate dance of gears and clutches that works to balance power and speed, enabling smooth acceleration and deceleration. So, how does it work? The transmission uses a series of gears of different sizes and ratios. When you push the accelerator, the transmission selects the right gear for your speed, much like choosing the right gear on a bicycle. If you're climbing a steep hill, it'll choose a lower gear to provide more power. If you're cruising at a steady speed, it'll select a higher gear to provide better fuel efficiency. But it's not just about selecting gears. The transmission also uses a clutch to disconnect the engine from the drive wheels when changing gears, ensuring that the transition is smooth and the engine doesn't stall. This is where automatic transmissions come into play, taking over the task of gear selection and clutch control to provide a seamless driving experience. Like any other part of your car, the transmission needs regular maintenance to keep it in top shape. Failing to do so can result in poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even In essence, the transmission is the gatekeeper of power in your car. It's the wizard behind the curtain, the conductor of the orchestra, the director of your car's performance. Without a well-functioning transmission, your car would be as good as a giant paperweight. Transmissions weren't always as sophisticated as they are today. Let's journey back to the initial days. In the infancy of the automobile, the concept of a transmission was quite rudimentary. Back then, cars were equipped with manual transmissions, simple systems that relied on the driver's skill and intuition. These early transmissions, often only equipped with 2 or 3 gears, were a far cry from the intricate systems we've grown accustomed to. The earliest automobiles, dating back to the late 19th century, were fitted with unsynchronized manual transmissions. They required a technique known as double clutching, where the driver had to disengage and re-engage the clutch twice for every gear change. This was no easy feat, requiring a deft hand and perfect timing. But even then, the seeds of innovation were being sown. As the 20th century dawned, engineers began to experiment with more gears, striving to make these manual systems more efficient. The 3-speed transmission became the norm, and then the 4-speed. The goal was always to allow the engine to operate as efficiently as possible at any given speed or load. The journey from those early, rudimentary systems to the finely tuned transmissions of today was not a straightforward one. It was a path paved with countless trials and errors, a series of incremental improvements and revolutionary breakthroughs. Each new development brought with it a new set of challenges to overcome, and each solution spurred further innovation. The story of the transmission is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It reminds us that even the most complex systems often have humble beginnings. It's a story of how we, as a species, continually strive to improve, to refine, to perfect. And it's a story that is still being written as engineers and innovators around the world continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. So remember, the next time you slide into the driver's seat and effortlessly switch gears, you're not just operating a machine. You're participating in a century-long tradition of innovation and progress. The early transmissions set the foundation for the complex systems we see in cars today. As technology advanced, so did transmissions. Enter the era of automatic transmissions. The automatic transmission, a marvel of engineering, has its roots in the early 20th century. However, it was in the post-war boom of the 1940s and 50s that automatic transmissions began to gain traction. This period saw the introduction of systems such as General Motors' Hydra-matic and Chrysler's Torque Flight, which brought the ease of automatic shifting to the mainstream. Drivers no longer had to juggle clutch control and gear changes, allowing for a smoother, more streamlined experience behind the wheel. Automatic transmissions employ a complex system of hydraulics and electronics to shift gears, based on the vehicle's speed and throttle input. This allows the car to automatically select the optimal gear for any driving situation, from cruising down the highway to navigating city traffic. The rise of automatic transmissions had a profound impact on the automotive landscape. They not only changed how cars were driven, but also how they were designed. The necessity for a clutch pedal was eliminated, freeing up space and simplifying the interior layout of vehicles. Moreover, automatic transmissions opened up driving to a larger demographic, including those who may have found manual shifting difficult or intimidating. Over the years, automatic transmissions have continued to evolve, with technological advancements leading to increased efficiency and performance. Today, they are found in a wide array of vehicles, from compact city cars to high-performance sports cars. Yet the rise of automatic transmissions was not without controversy. Some driving purists argued that automatic transmissions removed a level of control and engagement from the driving experience. However, the undeniable convenience and ease of use of automatic transmissions have made them a popular choice for the majority of drivers worldwide. Automatic transmissions marked a significant leap in automotive technology, bringing convenience to the driving experience. Fast forward to the present day, where we have continuously variable transmissions and dual clutch transmissions. A continuously variable transmission, or CVT, is a marvel of modern engineering. It's a type of automatic transmission, but with a noteworthy difference. Unlike conventional automatic transmissions that use fixed gear ratios, a CVT uses a belt and pulley system that provides an infinite number of gear ratios. This allows your vehicle to always operate at the most efficient speed, contributing to improved fuel economy. Now, let's talk about the feel of a CVT. When you step on the gas, a CVT quickly finds the most efficient gear ratio and stays there. This eliminates the shift shocks you may feel with traditional transmissions, providing a smoother driving experience. However, this lack of shifting sensation can feel strange to some drivers, but it's all part of the CVT's efficiency-first approach. Next in line is the dual clutch transmission, or DCT. This type of transmission combines the best of manual and automatic transmissions. It consists of two separate clutches, one for odd-numbered gears and the other for even-numbered gears. When you're driving in first gear, the second gear is pre-selected in anticipation. When it's time to shift, the transition is lightning fast, as all it takes is the switching of clutches. The DCT offers a highly responsive and dynamic driving experience. It's like having a professional race car driver doing all the shifting for you and doing it perfectly every time. The DCT provides the control of a manual transmission with the convenience of an automatic, making it a popular choice in many high-performance vehicles. In conclusion, both CVT and DCT offer unique advantages. The CVT shines with its superior fuel efficiency and smooth operation, while the DCT impresses with its quick shifting and enhanced control. Despite their differences, they both share a common goal: to provide an optimal balance between performance and efficiency. Today's transmissions, with their advanced technology, ensure a seamless and efficient driving experience. The evolution of transmissions isn't stopping here. What does the future hold? As we move forward, the horizon of transmission technology appears to be limitless, promising to revolutionize the way we experience driving. Electric vehicles are rapidly gaining momentum, and with this shift, transmissions are evolving too. Traditionally, electric vehicles didn't require conventional transmissions due to their ability to deliver full torque instantly. However, recent advancements suggest the introduction of multi-speed transmissions in electric vehicles to enhance efficiency and performance. This allows electric vehicles to maintain optimal revolutions per minute at varying speeds, thus increasing their range and reducing energy consumption. Simultaneously, the rise of autonomous vehicles is also reshaping the future of transmissions. Autonomous cars demand a higher degree of integration between the transmission system and the vehicle's electronic control unit. This integration allows for smoother gear shifting, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced ride comfort, all without human intervention. Moreover, the future of transmissions may extend beyond mechanical systems. Some experts are exploring the potential of software-defined transmissions. These systems, based on complex algorithms, can adapt to a multitude of driving conditions and driver behaviors, promising a more personalized and efficient driving experience. Furthermore, we may see the advent of more advanced continuously variable transmissions and dual-clutch transmissions. These systems, already known for their efficiency and smoothness, are being refined and improved, aiming for even better performance. Finally, the future of transmissions may also hold more eco-friendly options. The automotive industry is exploring ways to reduce the environmental impact of transmission production and operation, such as using more sustainable materials and improving energy efficiency. As we move towards an automotive future dominated by electric and autonomous vehicles, transmissions will continue to play a crucial role in shaping our driving experience. One thing is certain, the journey of transmission evolution is far from over, and we're excited to see where it takes us next.